In this episode of Prep School, we're gonna talk about our 30-day weight loss meal plan for summer and make one of the delicious dinners from the plan, a gorgeous Cobb salad with grilled chicken, perfect for summer. Let's get started. So with all of the delicious fruit and veg that we have on the salad and the high protein chicken, this really is a satisfying summer dinner that also feels fresh and light too. It delivers about 23 satisfying grams of protein per serving. So that protein in combination with the 6 grams of fiber it delivers will help you to feel nice and satisfied all evening long. And then last, we have some hard-boiled eggs here for a little extra protein. And I'm just gonna slice them. Alrighty. There we go. Now, last thing, we are going to make our herb rub, coat our chicken in it, and then go ahead and get it grilled. So we are working with chicken breast today, a nice lean cut of protein. And before we do anything with that, we are going to make our herb rub, and it's delicious. So to, a small bowl, we're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. We have garlic powder, and we're gonna need a teaspoon of that, a teaspoon of thyme, and then a half teaspoon each of oregano and rosemary. And into the bowl it goes. We need a 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt here, and a half a teaspoon of ground pepper. So we'll just give this a little mix. And if it's not coming together, you can always add a touch more oil. So this is why we save this part for last, because you gotta roll up your sleeves and get your hands in the mix. So as you can see, it's a bit of a thicker mixture, and we're just gonna go ahead and rub our herb rubbed chicken. Now, you are gonna wanna go ahead and preheat your grill to about medium high, or your grill pan to medium high heat. Either works in this case. All right, so last step is cooking this chicken up. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands, and we can do just that. Okay, so chicken is grilled. It's smelling amazing. I'm gonna put it to the side just for now, and we're gonna start assembling this beautiful Cobb salad. And first up is some baby kale. So baby kale is much more tender than your regular curly or lacinido kale, so it's really nice for salads, and a fun twist from romaine, spinach, all that stuff. So we're gonna start on a nice big platter, layering down our baby kale. Okay, and then we're gonna take our prepped veggies and start placing it on top. I'm gonna start with my avocado here, some of my strawberries here, go in with our egg right on the side. So this chicken has been resting a little bit, so letting it sit after it cooks lets the chicken kind of soak in all those juices so it stays nice and juicy. We're ready to slice. We're not done yet. Some additional toppings. We have some very crispy bacon here that we can just go ahead and crumble up. It's already crumbling with our hands. And a little bit of bacon really goes a long way. You know how flavorful it is. So just using 2 slices here and crumbling it up really fine helps to get a little bit of that bacon flavor throughout the salad. For some cheese, we're gonna do the same thing and just crumble up some feta to put on top here. Yum, this looks perfect. Ooh, yum. All of those colors, the textures, the cheese, the bacon. Cheers. Yum. This screams summer. It's so tasty and so fresh. It's recipes like these that really make it easy to eat healthy. It's delicious, it's bright, it's vibrant, and it's satisfying, which is everything that we want at the end of a long summer day. So this is just one meal from one day from our full 30-day weight loss meal plan for summer. The rest of the day's eating includes a yummy yogurt for breakfast, snacks throughout the day, a meal prep pasta salad for lunch, and this delicious Cobb salad for dinner. Be sure to check out EatingWell.com for the full meal plan. Thanks for watching, happy cooking, and I'll see you next time on Prep School.